Hi everyone, we are the Macedonian team. The best, I guess.
Hello, here Mateusz and
Anya.
Polska, Poland.
Hello, we are from Czechia and we are here in Bitola on the project Get Innovation.
It was a nice experience, especially for me and I hope for all of us to be a host here in Bitola, Macedonia. We are very proud that we had a project like this.
It's a very interesting project about social media and other things. We really like it, we enjoy it because I never think the learning can be funny.
Yes, this project was really amazing. We learned a lot of new things about digitalization and like making a social media strategy. That was awesome activity.
I learned a lot about internet and IT technology. It was great experience.
Social media, Snapchat, Facebook and many others.
New interesting tools for social media strategy, for promotion.
I'm a teacher, so I've learned a lot of interesting things about the way IT tools can help me in my work.
I have had my first presentation in Prezi.
So we have learned also a lot of things about different tools that I didn't know before.
All these things already helped me a lot in my organizational work.
I like the cooperation and team working for the social media strategy.
For me, this project is not just about IT, but it's also about culture, and not just Macedonian, but also from the other countries.
We had a lot of fun and learned a lot of new things about the people that live abroad.
And also the presentation of other countries were very amazing and full of fun.
Oh, it was a great experience meeting with other people and sharing our own experience and learning about the culture.
So about the people, this is a totally different culture than ours, and it's nice to discover how people live here. And also we can talk to everyone from different country and discover some familiar similarities. And it's nice that we can really get in touch with so active people, so open-minded and thinking in this creative way. So this is a great experience.
Yes, the best.
And we love Ohrid. We enjoyed the trip to Ohrid. Okay.
We get to the very interesting places like Ohrid, the Lake Ohrid, and many others.
I like the visits outside the city, especially the visit to Ohrid, and I like the people that I met.
Bitola is amazing, I love it. It's party city, but sometimes not so party like it's today.
Just a city.
Yeah, just a city.
Or maybe a town.
Yeah, more like village.
Bitola is a very nice place, you should visit it. There are many innovators there. For example, there are developers of one game, Sondor is called, you should buy it. It's a great game,
Yeah.
we watch it.
And I met a lot of interesting people here, and also in Bitola. And I had also some revelations, but they're secret.
This is an amazing place and we have a lot of fun here.
I love it here, everything.
Yes, me too.
We met a lot of great people, we had fun, we had great moments, and we learned a lot about social networks and Google tools and etc. etc.
I recommend to everyone an experience like this and the association Get Innovation, because I appreciate their work and I thank you for everything.
Yes, and about funny moments, I love the Energizer from Anna. We love you.
Love you.
Also, again, I want to thank for Anna and all the volunteers, Tanya, Lula, Jana, Wende, for all this great work.
And I want you to say thank you to the NGO Get Innovation that gave us this opportunity to participate in this project. So I will recommend you to follow the FAM Facebook page.